Hello students, welcome to Scratch programming classes, and today we will see how to add backdrop on the stage and how to change costumes of sprite. So let's start. First we will open Scratch. Now first is how to add backdrop on the stage, and to add backdrop on the stage we will go stage backdrop. First we will select it, then new backdrop you will add from here. So first option we will select choose backdrop from library. You can select any backdrop. I have selected this. So this is your backdrop, and this cat is the default sprite. If you want to add one more sprite, you can add from library. I have selected the other sprite, ballerina. Okay, now two sprites are there. If you want to delete the previous one, first go there, right click and delete. Fine. Now how to change its costume. Now how many costumes are available, we will see from costumes tab. First we will click on costumes. So these are the costumes. How many costumes are there? 1 2 3 4. 4 costumes are available. So if you want to change its costume, you can select any costume from here. Fine. This is one way. You can use the another way from coding. The first we will go to the script. Now if you want that when I press any key, it can be space bar, it can be arrow key or any key, on pressing suppose right arrow key, you want to change its costume. So for that first we will select the event. Fine. By default it is space bar. If you want to change it, suppose right arrow, you will select it. Then costume, and where is the costume? In looks. In looks there is a block next costume. Fine. Now when you press right arrow, it will change its costume. Fine. And similarly, if you wish that on clicking this green flag its costume should be changed, again you will go to the event. When green flag clicked, then in looks, next costume. So when you press or click on green flag, it will change its costume. Now if you wish that it should continue, once you click on green flag, it should continue changing its costume. Then for that we will use forever. We'll go to control block category, and forever block is there. So we will put next costume within forever. So when you click on green flag, it will change its costume. Now speed is very fast. To reduce its speed we will add, okay, first we will stop it, then we will use wait block. Fine. Now see, when you run it, now the speed is little bit slow. You can reduce its duration. Instead of 1 second, I am giving here 0.5. Now when you click on green flag, now the speed is okay. Fine. Now if you wish to change the background, okay, first I will stop it. Now if you wish that when you click on green flag, its background should be changed, So first I am removing this, right click and delete. For that I will add one more backdrop. Already one backdrop is there, but I am adding one more. Okay, baseball field I have selected. Okay, fine. Now again we will go to the script, event, when green flag clicked, then looks, next backdrop. Fine. Now on green flag it is changing its backdrop. Fine. I hope it is clear. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching.